In this guide, we'll demonstrate how to handle and minimize disruptions caused by WhatsApp group voice chats. To begin, open WhatsApp and navigate to one of your group chats. Typically, you'll notice a three-dot icon in the top right corner. Unfortunately, within the More section, there isn't a direct option to remove the group voice chat feature entirely, which can be frustrating if you're being disturbed by frequent voice calls in the group. A practical solution is to mute the group. To do this, tap the three-dot icon, select Mute Notifications, and choose a duration, either 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Confirm your selection by tapping OK. While this prevents call notifications, note that other alerts, such as specific message notifications, might also be muted. However, this is an effective way to avoid being interrupted by calls. You might wonder if there's a more permanent solution. Technically, you could try downgrading to an older version of WhatsApp. To do so, uninstall the current version by pressing and holding the app, selecting App Info, and choosing the Uninstall option. Afterward, you'd need to find and install an older APK version of WhatsApp. However, this is not recommended since downgrading could compromise security, disable newer features, and potentially affect app stability. These are the primary solutions available for managing WhatsApp group voice chat interruptions. While not perfect, muting notifications is the most straightforward and practical approach.